Hello, the Queen Champions. This is Miss Ward on behalf of the 3rd grade team. I'm doing this video to show you how to log into your learning apps. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're using Google Chrome as your web browser. Next, you need to go to pisd.org. This is our district website. You will go to Students, scroll down to Learn Apps. On here, the first thing you need to look at is the COVID-19 parent letters and instructions. It gives you direct access to the Learn apps with site codes and how to log in. Then you will click on Elementary Learning Apps. There are a couple apps on here, but the ones that we want them to focus on will be Imagine Math Learning, Imagine Learning with Literacy, Studies Weekly for Social Studies, and STEM Scopes for Science. When they click on Imagine Math, they will go to the student login. On here, for example, the login for each student should be their first name. So we're going to use my first name. And we're just going to type imaginary lunch number. The password will be the first initial, so it would be T, and then the same lunch number. The site code will be 483-5400, and then they will log in. Also, for the Imagine Literacy, which is the same looking app, but it's blue, they will do the same things, the same login process. They will use their first name and lunch number for the username, and then first initial lunch number for the password, site code 483-5400, and log in. The other learning apps they need to focus on is STEM Scopes. When you log in for the STEM Scopes, that is science, they will use the logins the same way as they log into Imagine Math. So their login will be first name, lunch number, password, first initial, lunch number. Then for Studies Weekly, this is for social studies. You would use to log in first name, dot, last name. Password will be last name, dot, first name. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure you contact those children teachers so that they can get access to those learning apps. If you have any questions, please reach out. We hope that you are working hard and staying focused and active during this time. We miss you, and we hope we can get back to the campus real soon when this is all over. Let us know if you have any questions going forward. Thank you.